Okay, so we start with the Danita 3000 UK. This is the PR27 97 version, not the multi version, which was relatively recent. So it's an FM only 80 channel set. This is what you put up with 19 from Notting, which is why we don't use 19. People making silly burping noises. So the customer sent it with a standard replacement mic. We've got 3.9 watts out of it. I've still yet to do the internal speaker. This radio's had 12 volts up the speaker jack, so I've had to change. You saw it on the video. Change the capacitor. We've had to change the extension speaker socket because it's melted, and the speaker is no good either. So we'll just go to the Mega Chippie channel, away from the racket, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie copy.
Yeah, roger that. I'm still in driveway, stand by.
Roger Dodger. More modern set, it has a smaller speaker, and the only second-hand ones we've got are a 3-inch. So I'm hunting round to see if I can find a second-hand 2.5-inch speaker, rather than have to charge the guy for a new one. We've got new ones in stock.
21, Mr. Chippie, ready to go.
Tango 21 now. I've got a parcel I need to bring out to you, so sorry about that.
There's one on my chair here, seat next to me.
Roger, that's for every. So that's, I haven't forgotten at all. It's there, but I need to tell you about it.
Yeah, it's there. I know about it. Okay, ready to go.
Roger, ready to go.
Right. No, I need to pair the cameras up. I haven't done that.
Roger.
Right, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, we're ready to go.
Roger Dodger. So am I.
Roger. Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger. And on this radio, there's no tone control.
Roger that.
Memories, dual watch, and emergency buttons, scan, and 80 channels, but no tone control.
80 channels there, well, it's not a 2781 set then, is it?
No, it's a PR27 97.
Roger. Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger got you the end of the lane.
Through Ancaster Crossroads.
Where have you got your at Ancaster Crossroads?
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
You've got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on the Danita 3000 UK, which is this early version, not the multi version of this set. And it's doing 3.9 watt output. And I'm on the standard replacement mic supplied by the customer.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, when we get to the low power thing, we can't do low power, we just have it. So what we'll do is we'll switch to EU FM. Over.
Yeah, no problem. Level crossing. Over.
What have you got? You going over Wilsford level crossing. Past the Kelby turn. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Did you get me past the Kelby turn? Yeah, next I've got some foreign experience, that's why, because I've got you at the Kelby turn.
Yeah, Roger. We're a little bit past the Kelby turn, I actually nearly forgot.
Roger, I'm turning 12 down, concentrate as well.
Roger that. Passing the Greyleys turn.
The Greyleys turn, I was on to say the receiver on it is very, very sensitive. 2.8 microvolts, so it's certainly dead.
Yep, roger that. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, on that, got you the 5 mile point. So as I said, on this Danita 3000 UK, which is the early version 1997, and it's doing 3.9 watts, throwing 1.55 amps to do that, and it's got 8 channels. So because it hasn't got low power, let's go over to CPT 31.
Roger, CPT 31. Yep, you're there and I can tell what you're saying, but only just. It's really noisy.
Just knock it up one channel, just see whether that's better. 32.
Yeah, Roger, 32.
It's 21 Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, that's better.
Roger, and back to UK at 2 AM.
Yeah, back to 31 UK, yeah?
31 UK. It's 21 over.
Yep, Tango 21, receiving you.
Roger on that. Off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing. Over. Yep, 142.9 and 148.7. Over.
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Tango 1 from Chippie. Over. Rossby Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Have you got a special prize for me at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 142.9 and 148.7. Over.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine, thank you very much. 10-10.
Roger that. 10-10.
Right, well that worked fine. Apart from CPT, which is full of interference and useless in this area. It's probably useless all over the country. But there we are, set worked fine, and he did talk about mic gain, but the deviation is right. So we'll go over to our base station, see what that sounds like on our Midland 76900.